When you go into a project, you will see the reports table. Here we can see a list of all the reports that we have made for one project. We can sort them by the name of the project, the URL used to make this report, the rank. The rank here indicates the rank of the URL based on the search engine, the language, and the location used to make the report. Keywords used for the report, language, search engine, scraping frequency, salience threshold, competitor count threshold, word count threshold, created at, and published at. For more information regarding salience, competitor count, and word count, please refer to the video about creating projects. The published at label shows us when the content was published. For more information about this, please refer to the content editor video entitled Content Published At Tracker. Just like in the projects table, we can search for our reports by typing in this search box here, like so. Go. And we can change the size of the table, go through it. Finally, there are the edit and delete buttons. So if we click on the edit button for a report, we can edit the report name, scrape frequency, tags, competitor count threshold, salience threshold, and word count threshold. If you move your mouse over the little information logo, a tooltip will pop up showing information. Now, if you want to change something, you can just edit it like so and click on Save. Reports that don't have a URL, well, there you can also add a URL by doing so here or in the edit section of a report. But once you add a URL, you cannot remove it. So that is something you should be wary of. Finally, to simply delete report, we click the delete button. We're asked to confirm our choice and we click yes. The notification tells us that the report has indeed been deleted. And that's all for the reports table.